Certainly a deal will be made, but a deal for death. The black thief is a pawn whom I'm going to punish by killing himself. The poor black thief must have arrived here to get trapped.
Oh my god! Where did this talisman come from?
Aladdin is in Baghdad. I hope Aladdin doesn't see me in this attire.
Sir, it is you?
How dare you spread lies about my husband? Tell me! Look, the traitor's wife got offended. If my husband had done that, I would have been really ashamed of it. Really, Nazia? Your husband is perfect, right? You're the milkman Qasim's wife, right? Yes. I don't speak ill about others. But have I ever told you that every night your husband gets drunk and falls in the square in front of my house? Do you know that? He screams at the top of his voice that he loves Umrao. And when he sees a buffalo, he says that it's Nazia. But have I ever told you about this?
This is my talisman. It has a picture of a dear one.
Then it should be with you. I hope he doesn't figure out that I'm the black thief after seeing my attire. But sir, what are you going to do in Baghdad?
I am here to complete an unfinished task. How are you, Aladdin? And how is that genie? Is everything fine?
Yes, everything is fine. The Genu and I are happy as well.
I shall pray to the Lord that both of you remain good friends. Aladdin, the Lord chose you to be responsible for that lamp. I am certain that you will never forget your responsibility. Aladdin, you seem disturbed. Aladdin! Aladdin!
I'm fine. And I'm not disturbed. Actually, sir, you already know that I have my mother's blessings with me.
I did not want to insult anybody here. I just wanted you to understand that before you point fingers at others, you need to keep your personal life in mind. Men are there to wage wars and spread hatred. Women are the ones who find a reason to smile even during hardships. I apologize for everything that I told you all, but you need to understand. I am a resident of Baghdad. I have every right to take part in these celebrations. Please forgive us.
We made a huge mistake.
Hey, the Sultan is here. Look over there.
Sultan is
Hey,
here.
he's here.
The
Sultan is here. Look, he's here.
Sultan is
Hey,
here.
look,
He's here.
look there.
Look,
He's
the
here.
king is here. Sultan is
Hey,
here.
Long live
he's here.
Sultan
Can you see the
Shahnawaz.
emperor? Lift me up. Come on.
You're very fortunate, Aladdin, because you have a family by your side. But some people are very unfortunate because they spend their lives alone and long for the love of a dear one. The family, home, and love, they come only to the fortunate ones. All the wealth of the world is worthless when compared to the relationship with the dear ones.
Long live Sultan Shahnawaz. Long live Sultan Shahnawaz. Long live Sultan Shahnawaz. Long live Sultan Shahnawaz. Long live Sultan Shahnawaz.
Only 5 minutes are left. I need to head towards the warehouse.
I have to leave.
now.
Whenever I meet this boy, I wonder why. It feels I'm meeting a dear one.
It was so nice to meet you, sir. We are going to meet again.
God bless you.
There are two things that I hate a lot. First is love, and second, relationships. A person who's bound by love and relationships always loses. Like the way Omar lost 20 years ago. Now Sultan Shahnawaz will lose. After that, the Black Thief.
He must have a...
Family who loves him.
And they are going to be very sad in the future.
All the wealth in the world is worthless when compared to the relationship with the dear ones.
Am I committing a sin in order to achieve my goal? Gino considered me as his dear one.
Mother has given me the permission to address her as mother. Now mother has two sons. First me and then you.
Considered my home his own. And I'm going to sell him?
I'm very lonely. Now who is my dear one?
Hereafter, he will mean everything to you, Aladdin. This genie is your gift and your responsibility too.
It's gonna be dark soon. What should I do now?
Where is the black thief?
Now you are my master. I cannot leave you. I do not want a new master.
Give me the lamp and you can have 50,000 gold coins.
I hope he hasn't had a change of heart.
We have done a great favor on you by giving shelter to you and your son. The traitor's son has turned out to be a thief.
You have loved me to such an extent that I cannot forget it all my life, mother.
Sultan Shahbaz!
Long live!
Sultan Shahbaz!
My lord, it is time to release the doves for peace now.
Sure, Your Highness. Just a few steps more. Your loyal soldier is all set to attack you.
So you are here. I was quite sure that you will surely come. Tell me, where is it? Where is it? Where's my lamp?
First, give me my coins.
I think you still doubt my intentions.
I will give you the lamp once you hand over those gold coins.
Piddi,
Yes?
did the soldier reach the clock tower?
No idea, Princess. There is no update yet.
Soldier, give me the binoculars. Father!
but I will surely pray for your father's well-being. Lord, protect her father from all his enemies. She is the same girl.
Listen.
Yes?
Brother-in-law has got the lamb now.
Yes.
Shall I grab the gold coins from him?
You are such a foolish person. Don't do anything right now. Because once the black thief gets out, our soldiers will round him up.
Finally, I've got what I wanted. Now I will be the king, and Princess Yasmin will be my wife. What did I say? It's we who make our own destiny. Doesn't matter even if we kill someone for it. The king of Baghdad. No one can stop me from being this now.
What is it?
Listen, I hope that the genie doesn't devour us once he comes out.
You are such a foolish person. Hey, he's the genie from the lamp and not our brother-in-law that he would devour you. You're fearing for no reason.
I order the genie in the magical lamp to come out and obey the orders of your master.
I have waited enough. And I can't wait any further. I cannot.